like directly off the trailer. It's nice. Okay guys, so I was flying my drone and I saw that a guy across the street from me was getting a brand new Rolls Royce. Like, it's fresh, directly fresh off the trailer. So let's go check it out. I'm gonna let you guys do that first. They might show me some cars. Apparently they deliver cars for a living. That's really amazing. If they let me see them. Nice to meet you. I'm Cole.
Yeah, Chris.
Nice to meet you, man.
Yeah, he's a YouTuber?
A little bit, yeah, kinda. I mean, I just do other videos. We're actually filming something at the house right now. This is beautiful. So you guys, do you guys do like high-end drop-offs?
Yeah.
Awesome, that's amazing.
Lamborghini, Ferrari, Rolls Royce.
Now, do these all come directly from the factory, or do they come? Wow.
They came from the factory to the dealership, and we picked them up. This is a Porsche back here.
Wow. Now, what is? That's not a. Is that a 4.58 or?
Oh, you want to go inside?
I can go inside. I don't want to ruin it. I don't want to ruin anything for you guys. All right. I'm gonna keep my hands behind my back because these things are just beautiful. So this is coming right out from Austin. Are all these from Austin?
Dallas.
Okay, so they're all coming from Dallas. Wow. Is there any way I can stand like right here?
You can go up there. Let's go upstairs.
I can go upside? Okay. Yeah. Wow. I don't want to touch him at all. We actually, me and my dad just actually ordered the new Cybertruck coming out.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. Really excited about that, but you know, that's another 2-3 years away.
Oh.
That is beautiful. This is all carbon fiber. Oh, you're gonna start it? Hang on, let me get back. Wow. That is fucking awesome, man. That is beautiful.
For sure.
Is that a V12 or a V8? Do you know?
It's a V12.
V12? Wow. That is awesome. Thank you guys so much for showing me this. Holy cow.
For the channel.
Well, thank you so much again for showing me that. Thank you for cranking it, man.
You should start a car channel.
Maybe? Maybe?
Like,
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, see, the hardest part is getting the cars to do the reviews, you know? And
the hardest part for me is like, if I get a camera, I'd be reviewing a lot of cars. Like, hey.
see you guys.